welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, and today guys I'm going to be putting a gift hamper together, a Mother's Day gift hamper, using the items that I picked up in my last Poundland haul. Now if you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the description box below. I picked up some amazing items, amazing affordable items from Poundland for Mother's Day, and they're just absolutely gorgeous, perfect to put together for a hamper. Okay, I also picked up this basket, which I'm going to be using to make one of the hampers up. I also picked up this little box here as well, which I'm also going to be doing a hamper with. So in today's video, I'm going to be making up 2 Mother's Day gift hampers using items solely from Poundland. I'm going to start with this little box, making up the gift hamper. Okay, so I've got some tissue paper, which is also from Poundland. You can find this in the party wear section, mainly, you know, where they normally have the gift cards and so on. So I'm just going to scrunch some of this up and pop it into the box. Just like that. I've actually got 2 colours. So I've got the baby pink colour and I've got like a more brighter pink colour. Okay, so I'm just going to scrunch that up and put it inside the box, just to create a base for the products to go in, okay, or for the items to go in. So I'm going to try my best to show you while I'm doing this. This is the whole point of the video. Now all the items I'm using are from Poundland. You can find these in the Mother's Day section. Okay, so I'm going to start, even though this has got a lovely lid, okay, lovely floral lid, I'm just going to reverse it and just pop it underneath the box like so. Okay, because I want to use this wooden plaque that you can also find in Poundland. This plaque says, if mums were flowers, I would pick you. So I'm just going to pop that into the box like so. Okay, just like that. So it's like creating a little back for the box. Okay, and then I'm going to just start adding some bits and bobs. So I've got this hand and nail cream that's going to go in there. I've also got one of the lip glosses that I showed on the video. All of these you'll see on my video from my previous video, my Poundland Mother's Day haul. So I'm going to put this lip gloss in as well, and then I'm going to put in a compact mirror like so. And then what else is going to go in there? Compact mirror. And then at the back of the box, there's like a little space there. So I'm going to put this luxury bath fizz, this shimmering fizz, inside the box as well. Just on the triangular bit there where I've placed that pack, just behind that there, like so. So the bubble bath you can't really see from the front, but you can see that it sticks out from the top there. So, okay. And I mean, I can really go on and really jam pack this box with so many goodies that I picked up in Poundland. So one other item I'm going to put in there is this do not disturb sign. Now it says do not disturb on one side, and then on the other side it says mum's pamper session. So that's going to go in there as well, just behind the just behind that wooden plaque. And that's really how I'm going to leave it. You know, it looks absolutely gorgeous. You don't have to go, like, you don't really have to go too mad by jam packing it with so many things. I've put how many items in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, 7 including the box, you know, as a gift for Mother's Day. Just to give you an idea of what you can actually put together using items from Poundland. So the total of this gift hamper is less than £10. It's £8 for all of this in here, guys. Absolutely beautiful Mother's Day gift. So that's my first one. Okay, for the second Mother's Day hamper, I'm going to be using this basket, which you can also find in Poundland. Okay, I'm just going to fill it in with some tissue paper. I've got a mixture of 2 different colours, so lovely pink colours here. I'm just placing it into the basket like so, to create a base. Okay. So what's going to go in here? First of all, I'm going to put in these chocolates. I'm also going to put in a lip gloss, the other lip gloss from the set that I got from Poundland. I'm also going to put in the latte mug and the coaster. And then I'm going to put in this fine and candy bath powder, and then I'm going to put in this shopping list, the magnetic shopping list. That's going to go on the side there. And then I'm going to put in one of these pens that came in the set from my last Poundland haul. And I'm really just finding things to put in there because I've got so much bits from Poundland here. Okay, I'm also going to put in this Reasons Why I Love You, and that is a memory box. So I'm just going to try and fix it all together, and I'll show you in a second because it's pretty hard for me to just you know, place it like that. So I've got everything in there like that. I'm just going to put the lip gloss on the side there, and then I'm going to add this travel jewellery box in there as well. So guys, this makes another lovely Mother's Day gift. All of this in the box comes up to £10. I managed to get 2 lovely Mother's Day gift hampers using the items that I picked up in my previous Poundland haul. So this one, £8, and you got a £10 one there. Absolutely amazing. I've got to say, I mean, I would absolutely appreciate anything like this for Mother's Day. You know, the cost of living, everything has gone up. A lovely token gift that has meaning and has a lot of thought that's gone into there as well. Okay, absolutely amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Do let me know which was your favorite out of these 2 gift hampers. I mean, they're both really gorgeous, aren't they? It's very hard to choose, but I've got to say, I do like this one just for the simplicity of it, you know, and the fact that it's actually less than £10 as well. But both of them are equally amazing, but it'd be nice to hear from you guys, okay? So yeah, do let me know which was your favourite out of the 2 gift hampers. So thank you so much for watching. Do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. Take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!